I was sent this shower caddy by the company to give my full and honest review, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox it. This is what it's supposed to look like. It has two tiers and it hangs over the shower hook and then a bottom one. So let's go ahead and unbox it, see what it looks like, and then we're going to go ahead and put it to use. Alright, I went ahead and put it together. As you can see, it has a total of 3 tiers. So it's the top tier, the middle, and then the small bottom one. As you can see, the top here does have a little like rubber hook. So we're going to go ahead and put this on the shower itself, and then we're going to go ahead and test it out, see what it looks like. So my shower is a little different, my shower head. So that's a little high up here, but it looks perfect. I could actually remove the little basket up top. But overall, as you could see, this works perfectly if you want to put your shower essentials on here. Overall, I would definitely recommend.